Hi friends, today I am with the ASUS Zenbook DUO 2024. In this video, we are going to talk about all the top features and the benchmark, including the prices, all the accessories what are coming inside the box with the benchmark scores and also the price, which will be at the end of the video. So you guys have to be a little bit patient and go through this video. So keep watching the video to know more about this laptop. This laptop comes with a detachable full backlit keyboard, and it also has a double hinged kickstand which is made of metal, all metal design. As you can see in the back, on the top side we are getting the air vent, on the side we are getting the speakers. These speakers are Harman-Kardon certified Dolby Atmos sound system with two built-in speakers which are built-in array microphone. This laptop comes with a dual screen. Both the screens have 14-inch Full HD Plus display, which means you are getting a 1920 into 1200 pixels, and the aspect ratio is 16:10. It is a OLED touchscreen display, both are OLED, and it comes with the 0.2 ms response time. Both the display comes with the 60 Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 500 nits. The display is the HDR True Black. We are getting an option to put a primary and secondary display. We can change that. Now talking about the CPU, we are getting an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with the unit what we got. There is also an option for Ultra 7 and Ultra 5 options. It is running on Windows 11 Home Edition. As far as the graphics is concerned, it comes with the Intel Arc graphics. It is running on dual Neuro compute engine, and it requires low power AI engine. It has a 32 GB of RAM, 2 GB of internal storage. It comes with a 65 watt type C power adapter. Here you can see it is coming with a very small adapter. You don't need a bulky one. You are getting a small one, which is a good thing. You also get an additional small type C cable to charge. The battery in that laptop is 75 watt hour, which is a lithium polymer battery. You are also getting ASUS Pen 2.0 inside the box, in which you are getting a 4 interchangeable pen tips with 2H, H, HB and B. It takes only 30 minutes to do the full charge, and it can run up to 144 hours of use. It comes with a one-click Bluetooth pairing. It has a two functional button, one on the top and two on the side button for mouse click and erase. So you are getting this cardboard. This is basically a laptop stand. How it will work, I will let me show you later on. And other than all this, you are getting a laptop sleeve. So these are all the accessories what you get inside the box. Now let's talk about the ports. In the ports, we are getting a 2 Thunderbolt port, which is 4 USB-C, and we are also getting one USB 3.2, which is Gen 1 Type A. So these are the three ports on the left side. If we go on the right side, we are getting a one full-size HDMI port, which is 2.1, and one audio combo jack. We are getting a dual mode keyboard with pogo pins. When you are charging, it will show the orange light. It have a switch on and off button. Once it is full charge, it will be off. The keyboard weighs around 300 grams, and the without keyboard, the laptop weighs around 1.35 kg, and with the keyboard, it weighs around 1.65 kg. It can be used as a wireless keyboard also, as an for the external display, and it can be used in the laptop. This is the laptop mode where you use the cardboard to sit on it. Now if you remove the keyboard, this will be the dual screen mode without the keyboard, where we can virtually use the keyboard on the screen. And if we don't want it, we on the kickstand, and you can see this is the desktop mode. In this we can use both the screen, and we can virtually use this wireless keyboard. This is also a dual screen mode. This is how you can use it. You don't have to fit the keyboard on your secondary display. The best part is that it gets 91% screen to body ratio, and both the display comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass protection. This is the sharing mode. If you take out the kickstand, it will stand very easily, but you need to remember this, that it needs to be on a stable ground. It shouldn't be on a bumpy surface, so it will not stand. This is the desktop mode, and it is perfect for programmers, researchers, writers, etc. And there is also a laptop mode which we use generally. The sharing mode can be used for the meetings The dual screen modes can be used virtually for the productivity and entertainment. And if you want to use the dual screen mode with keyboard or without keyboard, it is also very easy. It can be useful for if you are using continuously and needs to focus on the task on both the hands, even listening the music. This is the laptop mode. You just have to put the cardboard in the bottom, place it, and this is how you can use it. The main concern is the video resolution in YouTube. So both the displays max up to 8K, you can watch it, but the audio output will be from the primary display. It may be one or two which you have selected in the display setting. So which is your primary display will give the audio output. Now talking about the display, here you can see in the bottom one I am running YouTube, on the top one I am running my blogs. It is very easy and definitely useful at the same time. As far as the power is concerned, it comes with the advanced cooling system that allows CPU and GPU to run up to 35 watt combined TDP. It comes with the Intel Evo certified, and it comes with a 13-hour plus battery life, which I have already tested and I will show you later on. And it comes with the 75 watt hour battery. It also supports fast charging. Is certified by MIL-STD 810 military standard for reliability and durability also. You are getting a virtual keyboard with the tap of 6 fingers on the secondary screen, and it is very easy. You can get that. Even you can have a virtual touchpad which can be used by 3 finger summon. And here you can see all the emojis are there, GIF are there. This is all on the secondary display, which is actually a proper display, but it can be used as a keyboard also at the same time. Even you can expand your windows to full screen, which I will talk later on. Keyboard, as you can see, it is working completely fine. The mouse pad also on the side. Now I am expanding to full screen, and even you can expand the mouse pad too. Touchpad can be changed. You can expand your window to full screen, and it can be used as a dual screen into one screen. Now talking about the ASUS background, in 2018 we have seen there was a touchpad, screen pad, which is in touchpad, coming with a secondary display. In 2019 they came up with the screen pad with full width, half height of the second display. In 2022 they came up with the folding OLED, which is also coming with a configurable as dual display. In 2024 we are getting the ASUS Zenbook DUO full size dual display. Now I am showing you some of the fun things which you can do with the secondary display. You can increase or decrease volume, you can change the brightness, even you can type, you can have some of the options like cut, copy, paste. You can try those things also. Even you can have a music control, equalizer. There are a lot of things you can try it out. This keyboard weighs around 300 grams and it sticks back very easily in the secondary display, so you can use that as a normal, and it takes an instant to switch between that. Now in this smart software feature, you are also getting a ScreenXpert, which can actually do the app switcher, app navigator, microphone switcher, control center, sharing mode, brightness, motion, wallpaper, etc. Now how it works, I will show you. The first option is for the screen brightness control. You can change the brightness for both the screens together, or you can simultaneously differently change the brightness for the one or the second screen. Now the second option is for the activate the virtual on screen board. The third option is to show the keyboard's battery status, and the fourth one is to turn the secondary screen on and off. The next one is for sharing mode. The next one is for the lock screen rotation. The other one is to toggle with the mic. Last one is for the utilities, and there is also called settings. So this is utility, and there is also settings. So these are all the options what you get in the ScreenXpert. If you guys have any doubt, just ask us. I will try to help you in the comment section. But this is all the option. I can't go in detail for each option, but you guys can pause the video, check out few things, and if you want have any question, you can ask us. Let's talk about the ASUS Pen. You get it free with the box, which is a great thing. You don't have to buy it separately. You have few apps which support it, so you can switch them between. And it takes only 30 minutes to full charge the ASUS Pen. It can be used for sticky notes, Windows Paint, and also at the other places which in the app support. It comes with the 4 interchangeable pen tips, which includes 2H, H, HB and D. So these are the four pen tips you are getting. It is a one-click Bluetooth pairing option which has functional buttons also, one on the top and two on the sides using for the mouse. So these are the pen features. Now let's talk about the keyboard features. On the top you are getting escape, mute, volume up, volume down. There is also backlit, brightness, volume up and down. Here you can switch the different screen if you have an external screen. Now this is the keyboard. If you do press this F8, it will swap both the displays, which you can see very easily. You can do that too also. Now there is an option which is for the microphone mute and microphone on, and there is also emoji option. Directly you can go to emoji, search that, and also find the GIF with this. So this is a good option, but if you have this virtual keyboard, I prefer this one. The emoji options looks very cool and it is very easy to find out. Even the GIF options are very easy. And there is also one option where it comes with the My ASUS, and there is also an option where you can lock the secondary screen, so the secondary screen can't be used. So these are the options. Last is the print screen. Now talking about the My ASUS is a fully loaded app for the ASUS laptops, and it gives you the driver update. It lets you all the features to change between the display, sound, and also some of the extended feature which gives you the battery performance. I will definitely recommend you guys to go through that. Now let's check out the few benchmark of this laptop. These are all the benchmarks what we got from this ASUS Zenbook DUO 2024 edition. Now talking about the price point, we are getting the 4 different models, which includes Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, and there are 2 models of Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with 1 TB and 2 TB different storage. So there are total 4 variants available for sale. Few key features what you get with this laptop. First, the best part is the software. The software is very buttery smooth and it has been optimized especially for this laptop. I didn't find any glitch for switching the videos or switching to secondary screen. So that part I have to give thumbs up. It is fully loaded laptop with all the hardware and the software features. ASUS didn't make any compromise in any of the fields, even with the quality of material, because you are getting an all metal body, and it also comes with the 91 screen to body ratio, where it gives you nearly almost bezel-less display. The display is definitely attractive. Now coming to the battery, the company is claiming 13 plus hours, but if you are running both the display, it can run up to 6 hours. So this is all about the ASUS Zenbook DUO 2024. This is Vivin signing off. Like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.